Labor Day weekend, September 1st through 4th, join Warren Hill and friends to experience an all-inclusive music vacation of a lifetime, hosted by the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya. Your package includes luxurious accommodations, meals prepared to perfection, endless wines and spirits, and your reserved seats to the best smooth jazz concerts on the continent. Indulge yourself in the festival's 5-star amenities by experiencing the beautiful pools and private beaches. Use your resort credits towards world-class championship golf. Or pamper yourself with a first-class spa treatment. Venture off-site to tour the jewels of the Yucatan Peninsula in Tulum, Cozumel, or Playa del Carmen. It's the ultimate musical vacation getaway. To reserve your space, go to CancunJazz.com or call 805-491-JAZZ. That's 805-491-5299. Warren Hill's Cancun Jazz Festival, September 1st through 4th, Labor Day weekend.